Sit si Mami? Saan po? Sit si Mami. Where?
Ito.
Here? Dito na lang ako sa floor.
Mami po. Mami.
What book do you want to read?
Ito.
Okay. This is the story of Jesus in the Bible. Jesus was born in a manger in Bethlehem.
Bread.
Bread! Shows his soul.
Borrow.
Borrow what?
Bread.
Bread? Di ba you already ate the bread? Di ba we have bread? You ate na already?
Penny.
Kailan ha? Dito.
Sipon!
Sipon!
Labas!
Ano na ba sa sipon? Sige. Blow again. Harder.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Wow.
Ay, basak! Ay, basak! Biyo! Biyo! Mami ko, mami ko.
Go.